Good morning. This is Jim Lawhon, Operations Officer with the Florida State Watch Office, and this is the Florida State Watch Office Daily Situation Report for January 6, 2009. The State Emergency Operations Center is currently at a Level 3 or monitoring activation status. Nuclear power reactors at Turkey Point, Port St. Lucie, Crystal River, and Farley are all operating at 100% capacity. All major airports and seaports are reporting no major issues at this time. And now to Scott Boyd with a weather brief.
High pressure in the western Atlantic Ocean will continue to extend westward across the Florida Peninsula and will continue to push a very warm and humid air mass into the state. Stable air from high pressure will keep rainfall chances very low across the peninsula, but approaching low pressure and a cold front will bring increasing rain chances to the Florida Panhandle and Big Bend today and tonight. Southerly winds will increase today between low pressure to the west and high pressure to the east. Sustained winds of 10 to 15 miles per hour are expected statewide, with occasional gusts up to 25 miles per hour possible. These strong winds will also raise the rip current potential along the Florida Panhandle and the Big Bend coast today. Dense fog across inland southeast Florida, western portions of Florida Peninsula, and the Florida Big Bend, with patchy fog across portions of east central Florida, will lift and dissipate by 10 a.m., giving way to partly to mostly cloudy skies. Another mild and muggy night is expected statewide, but increased winds will limit fog formation. However, patchy fog may still form across portions of central and south Florida late tonight. A developing low-pressure system off the Texas coast will lift rapidly northeast today along a stalled frontal boundary over the Mississippi Valley. As the low-pressure area moves northeast, a trailing cold front will sweep east along the Gulf Coast states today. Numerous storms will be organizing into a squall line during the day and is expected to enter the western Florida Panhandle during the evening hours and then into eastern Panhandle and Big Bend late Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning. The squall line is expected to contain strong to severe thunderstorms, and the Storm Prediction Center has placed the Florida Panhandle and Big Bend west of Tallahassee in a slight risk area for severe weather. It appears the main threat with the strong storms will be from straight line damaging winds, although isolated tornadoes will also be possible near the coast. Heavy rainfall will also be possible as the line moves through, and a flash flood watch is in effect for inland portions of Santa Rosa, Okaloosa, and Escambia counties in the western Panhandle through Tuesday night. The front and the preceding squall line is then expected to weaken as it moves southeast in the Florida Peninsula during the day on Wednesday, with mainly scattered showers expected. However, a stray strong storm will be possible. As of Saturday afternoon, the statewide Keach-Bryan Drought Index average is now 514 on a scale of 0 to 800. County KBDI averages in the Panhandle are expected to decrease with the expected rainfall tonight, while most counties in the Suwannee Valley and the Florida Peninsula are expected to increase. With most counties in the peninsula having KBDI values average above 550, dry soils will raise the wildfire potential today. Rainfall chances will increase in the peninsula Wednesday and Thursday, but generally light forecast rainfall amounts will provide very little relief to dry soils.
Current issues being monitored by the State Watch Office today. A flash flood watch has been issued for southeast Mississippi and inland areas of southwest Alabama and the northwest Florida Panhandle from Tuesday afternoon through Tuesday night. A flash flood watch means that rapid flooding of streams, creeks, and other drainage areas will be possible within the watch area. People in the watch area should check preparedness requirements, keep informed, and be ready for quick action if flash flooding is observed or if a warning is issued. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising. Remember, be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of floods and flash floods. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your vehicle to cross safely. Remember to turn around and don't drown. For further information and to learn more about how you can get a plan, please visit www.floridadisaster.org. That's all we have for today. This has been the Florida State Watch Office Daily Situation Report for Tuesday, January 6, 2009. Have a safe day.